Welcome to Nuance Art. If you're a fan of unique home designs and breathtaking interior ideas, you're in for a treat. Today, we'll take you on a visual journey to a rustic, Turkish-style stone house perched on a scenic hill, a true nature retreat paradise. This charming hideaway combines traditional architecture with modern comforts, offering an unforgettable experience for those looking to escape the hustle and bustle of daily life. Before we dive into the details, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up to support our channel. And of course, let us know in the comments if you'd love to retreat to a cozy hillside sanctuary like this. Now, let's step into the beauty and tranquility of this enchanting stone house. The Turkish-style stone house on the hill captures the essence of traditional Turkish architecture, known for its robust stonework and natural integration with the surrounding landscape. This architectural style dates back centuries, with stone materials chosen to withstand the test of time while offering both beauty and durability. The stone exterior walls not only add to the visual appeal, but also create a naturally insulated environment, keeping the home cool in summer and cozy in winter. Handcrafted wood doors, arched windows, and tiled roofs bring warmth and a welcoming aesthetic to this hillside sanctuary. Each detail reflects a commitment to harmony with nature, making this style a timeless choice for nature lovers and design enthusiasts alike. Imagine standing on that hill, gazing at the scenery, and feeling truly connected to the surrounding beauty. This stone house is nestled on a tranquil hillside, offering panoramic views of lush landscapes, distant mountains, and endless sky. The location itself is a haven for anyone seeking a deep connection to nature, with ample opportunities for hiking, birdwatching, or simply soaking in the peaceful atmosphere. Being surrounded by such breathtaking views provides a sense of calm and inspiration, where every sunrise and sunset feels like a private show from nature. The house is thoughtfully positioned to maximize these views, with terraces and windows that invite you to enjoy the scenery from every corner. This unique setting on the hill transforms an already beautiful home into a personal retreat, ideal for rejuvenation and peace of mind. Inside, this Turkish-style stone house strikes the perfect balance between rustic charm and modern comfort. Exposed stone walls and wooden beams maintain the authentic feel of the home, while updated amenities make it convenient for modern living. Cozy living spaces are arranged to promote relaxation and comfort, with furniture and decor that enhance the rustic vibe without sacrificing style. Imagine curling up with a good book by the fireplace or enjoying a homemade meal in the cozy dining nook. Each room is designed with simplicity and elegance, ensuring that every stay here feels special. The thoughtful blend of old-world charm and contemporary touches creates an inviting atmosphere that makes this house feel like a home away from home. A highlight of this hillside stone house is its inviting living room, complete with a traditional fireplace. In Turkish culture, fireplaces are often the heart of the home, where family and friends gather to share stories, meals, and warmth. The rustic stone fireplace in this home is no exception. It adds to the cozy ambience, making the living room an ideal space to unwind. Wooden furniture, earthy tones, and warm lighting make this room feel welcoming and comforting. Picture yourself enjoying a quiet evening by the fire, with the warmth of the flames and the natural beauty just outside the window. It's a magical way to relax and recharge. The kitchen in this Turkish-style stone house is both functional and charming, designed with natural materials that pay homage to its rustic setting. Wooden cabinetry, stone countertops, and handmade ceramics are just a few of the features that give this kitchen a unique, earthy vibe. Every detail, from the copper pots hanging on the wall to the simple yet elegant dinnerware, reflects a connection to nature and tradition. Whether you're cooking a family meal or preparing a quick snack, this kitchen makes the experience enjoyable and authentic. The kitchen isn't just a place for cooking, it's a space that embodies the warmth and hospitality of Turkish culture, perfect for gathering with loved ones. After a day of exploring the hillside, the cozy bedrooms in this stone house offer a restful retreat. Each bedroom is thoughtfully decorated to blend with the natural surroundings, featuring wooden accents, soft linens, and neutral tones. Large windows bring in natural light and offer uninterrupted views of the landscape, letting you wake up to the beauty of nature. The minimalist decor helps create a serene environment, free from distractions, perfect for a good night's sleep. These bedrooms provide more than just a place to rest. They are designed to be a peaceful oasis, where guests can unwind and recharge for another day of nature-filled adventures. The outdoor spaces of this Turkish-style stone house make it easy to connect with nature without leaving home. Spacious terraces, a garden with local plants, and cozy seating areas offer a variety of spots to enjoy the outdoors. You can spend your mornings on the terrace, savoring a cup of Turkish tea while listening to the birds. During the day, the garden invites you to take leisurely strolls or sit back and admire the view. At night, the outdoor areas become the perfect setting for stargazing, with minimal light pollution and clear skies offering a fantastic celestial display. The seamless connection between indoor and outdoor spaces enhances the feeling of retreat, making every moment here memorable. This Turkish-style stone house isn't just about beauty and charm, it also reflects a commitment to sustainability and mindful living. Stone and wood, two of the primary materials, are not only durable but also sustainable, reducing the need for frequent repairs or replacements. The house's location on a hillside and its energy-efficient design help minimize its impact on the environment. By embracing traditional building techniques and materials, the home supports a lifestyle that values nature and simplicity. This approach to sustainable design shows that it's possible to create a home that's both eco-friendly and incredibly stylish, inspiring us all to consider how our living spaces impact the world around us. As we wrap up our tour of this breathtaking Turkish-style stone house on the hill, we hope you've been inspired by the beauty, simplicity, and charm of this unique nature retreat. Imagine spending time in a place like this, where every day brings a sense of peace and connection to nature. If you enjoyed this journey, Don't forget to subscribe to Nuanza Art for more inspiring home design and interior ideas. And if this hillside retreat stole your heart, let us know in the comments what you loved most. Hit that like button to show your appreciation for nature-inspired architecture, and share this video with anyone who dreams of a rustic escape. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more beautiful design inspirations from Nuanza Art.